Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to discuss about the latest WordPress update, WordPress 6.4.1, which is a minor release. It's a maintenance release basically. So here in this WordPress 6.4.1, there's no very major updates. Basically, they fixed only 4 bugs in the WordPress basically. So there is no such very big change over here. So if you want to do the upgrades, first take the backup, but generally it will not hamper your website, so you can directly go for it. But for safety you can do a backup. But recently I updated my WordPress to 6.4.1. There is no as such changes required, and also I haven't taken any backup because it's just a minor bug fixes, so there is no such big update in this release. So first of all, I want to thanks WordPress for doing the bug fixes timely, and here in this upgrade there is no as such very big thing. I want to thanks all the WordPress developers who did a great job for doing the bug fixes, and also there are few small changes you can see in the your WordPress dashboard. You can see when you can access this, they made some changes in the text editor, but very small change I want to see. But yeah, great job WordPress, and it's a great job. Thanks for watching. I think we can come up with the new latest things in the WordPress. Keep watching and subscribe us. See you soon. Bye bye.